Hello everybody right there, this is JP right here, and in today's video I'll be talking to you about French. To be specific, some French words, vocabulary and stuff we'll be learning, okay, the basics of French. So let's dive right in right now. So here we are, and as I said, we have some French, and this is Soyez bienvenue tout le monde, which means welcome everybody. And we have some French flags, le drapeau français, and we have liberté, égalité, fraternité, ce sont des symboles français. Alright, those words are the symbols of France, okay? And as you know, my name is Jean-Pierre. But in French, je m'appelle Jean-Pierre. All right? So you can say, you can replace your name, okay, right there to also present yourself. Je m'appelle, and then your name. So right here, teston de connaissance, c'est-à-dire, so that means we're going to test a little bit our knowledge, okay? So for example, tu comprends ce mot français, like, do you understand these French words? For example, taxi, bus. We have some changes. Another one, I'm not pronouncing them yet. Okay, there and there. Well, the first two were kind of easy, okay, but how about the others? I'm going to pronounce them in French. So the first one right here, we have taxi. And we continue. Bus, chocolat, professeur, téléphone, radio, télévision. Right? So they're pretty similar to English. These words are also similar to Spanish. Right there, taxi, bus, chocolate, like a teacher or professor, right? We also have a telephone, right? Radio and television, right? So they're pretty similar, So they're not like too difficult. So right here, just a little bit about a cliché. Okay, le cliché, le français, c'est une langue difficile. So they're telling us, like, the cliché is like many people think that French is difficult, which is not. Okay, because many words, as you can see, okay, are related somehow, like with other languages, right? Like from maybe, Spanish, you have German words, English words like weekend, sandwich, orange, or maybe Chinese as well, feng shui, kung fu, as I say, Spanish, right, paella, guitar. So we can see right here, okay, that actually French has many, words that are relatable to other languages. So it's actually not difficult. Trouver d'autres. So let's find more, right? So I've let you see some of them, but now how about these others, right? Mot français, so French words, right? Mot français. For example, here we have, yes, so train or metro, right? Le train or métro. So the coffee place or coffee shop, right? Café en français. Right there we have, in English, you're going to pronounce restaurant. In French, you're going to pronounce restaurant. Le restaurant qui est proche de ma maison, oui. That's the one. Here we have, yes, that's a sandwich, right? But you're going to pronounce it sandwich. J'aime le sandwich, je mange le sandwich. Le sandwich, c'est très bon. And the last one, yes, we have soccer, or you can also pronounce it soccer. Or you can also say foot, like football, but they like make it short, le foot. Ouais, qu'est-ce que tu aimes jouer dans la soirée? J'aime jouer le foot, le soccer. No, I love playing soccer. So we're gonna continue right here, guys. We have like some interesting, pictures right there that are related to French culture, okay? Things that are related to French culture. And here we're going to match them together. Okay, you can pause the video and you can try to match them, words and pictures. But we're gonna do it together as well. Okay, for example, we're going to have yes right there. So be careful. Croissant, you're going to pronounce croissant. No, so the sound it's coming a little bit more, from the throat. Okay, and croissant. We continue. Yes, we have Asterix, Obelix. So they are characters, right? Like from this. So you're gonna call it bande dessinée. So they're like stories, made out of drawings, and they're coming like in not so big books, like they're short actually. Similar to anime or manga, something like that, like Asterix and Obelix are pretty famous in the English, French speaking world. Yeah. Fromage, so that's cheese, fromage. Right here, Le Petit Prince, so the little prince, right? Le Petit Prince. La Tour Eiffel, oui, que je très, très connu. La dernière, the last one, we have la mode. Oui, c'est la mode. We're gonna go explorons le français vraiment. On va voir. Let's see, on va voir. We have one word, mercredi, jeudi, samedi, vendredi, dimanche, mardi, lundi. So can you guess what these words are? Are these maybe names? Are these some sort of, school vocabulary or something? What can you tell me? Well, maybe you can write it right in the comments. These words are. No worries, I'm gonna help you. So these words are the days of the week, okay? Or in French you can say les jours de la semaine. Les jours de la semaine. And now, which one of them is Monday? Yes, this one is Monday, number one. Which one of them is Tuesday? Yes, it's mardi. Right, that's number two. Which one of them is Wednesday? Samedi? Nope. Yes, mercredi. That's okay. That's fantastic, guys. Okay, mercredi. I mean, you can pause and you can pronounce with me. Okay, lundi, mardi, mercredi. Which one of them is Thursday? Yes, jeudi. All right, that's number four. Jeudi. Which one of them is Friday? Dimanche? No, it's not. It's vendredi. Be careful. Vendredi? No. Vendredi. D'accord? That's number five. Which one of the... Oh my throat. When pronouncing perhaps too many French words, sometimes it's hurting here. But I'm okay. So next one is Saturday, which is samedi. All right. And last one, yes, Sunday, dimanche. Okay. Is number seven right there. So for you guys, in order, to have a better comprehension about it, so you can watch I'm going to drop a link, that's a song, okay, to learn more about les jours de la semaine, the days of the week. Okay, so you can click and you'll have a song right there. So moving on, okay, les chiffres de 1 à 10, all right, so we're gonna look into the numbers from 1 to 10. For example, right here, guys, we're gonna have a. So be careful, okay? You can pronounce with me. I'm not going to pronounce it super fast, okay? I'm going to pronounce it slow, actually. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh my. I know it says from 1 to 10, but I'm giving you from from 0 to 15. I know, like perhaps the range isn't. It's my fault, okay? It's my fault. But there you have it, everybody. You have the numbers right there. As I said, you can, go back from the video and start repeating again so you guys get to practice a little bit more. Well, you have also a YouTube video. Okay, I'm going to drop it so you can watch it and you can sing and, get it better. Well, that's it. Vous avez une question ou des questions? So that means if you guys have a question, if you do, please write it, okay? And I try to answer as soon as possible. Okay, so this is it. This is all. So this is a famous character also from the French-speaking, world and countries and culture. Okay, so his name is Tonton. Okay, well, many people probably would pronounce Tintin or something, but it's like Tonton, right? Tonton. So that's it. À tout à l'heure. That's how you say goodbye. Okay, you can also say au revoir or au revoir. Okay, but here you have another expression. À tout à l'heure. See you later. À tout à l'heure. Bye bye.